Alright, today we're looking at assignment 8.2 using Pascal's triangle, and we're going to look at problem 3 because someone asked me about that one. So we have 2x plus 9 to the third power. Now notice that it is the third power we're using, which means we want the third row of Pascal's triangle. So if I look at Pascal's triangle, here's the third row, and I notice the numbers are 1, 3, 3, and 1. So back on the assignment, come on. I'm going to write down that my numbers are 1, 3, 3, and 1. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my A's and B's, and since we're looking here at the third power, I'm going to start out with A to the third power, A to the second power, A to the first power, and A to the 0 power. Then heading the other direction, I have B to the third power, B to the second power, B to the first power, and B to the 0 power, and then I'm going to fill in my addition signs in between each term. Well, now if I look at this problem, I notice that my A is a 2x and my B is a 9. So I have 1 times A, which is 2x, to the third power, times B, which is 9, to the 0 power, plus 3 times A, which is 2x, to the second power, B, which is 9, to the first power, plus 3 times A, which is 2x, to the first power, times B, which is 9, to the second power, plus 1 times A, which is 2x, to the 0 power, times B, which is 9, to the third power. Alright, well now I'm going to go ahead and multiply all this out, and I'm going to start by just worrying about these exponents. So I see, for example, this first term I have 1 times, notice how I have 2 to the third power. Well, 2 to the third power is 8, so I get 8x, times 9 to the 0 power is 1. Plus 3 times 2 to the second power is 4. So 4x times 9 to the first power is 9. Plus 3 times 2 to the first power is 2 times x to the first power. Oh, I forgot the x's on the powers on my other x's, didn't I? Third power and second power on the x's. I apologize. And then back to this third term, times 9 to the second power is 81. Plus 1 times 2x to the 0 power is 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1, times 9 to the third power. I don't actually know what that is, so I'm going to pull up my calculator and just type in 9 to the third power. And my calculator says it's 729. So I fill in my 729. Alright, well now if I multiply this out even further, I have 1 times 8 times 1 in this first term, which is going to give me 8x cubed. Plus my second term, 3 times 4 is 12, times 9, I don't know, but let's ask the calculator. 12 times 9 is 108. X squared, plus 3 times 2 times 81. So 3 times 2 times 81, and I get 486. And he'll keep his x, plus 1 times 729 is 729. And here is my final answer on problem 3.